So basically I'm showing love to every car except for my STI, because today, hopefully I'll have enough time to install this track dog splitter. So I'm basically rushing to get that splitter on the front end of my NB before Rob and his STI. I don't even know what the plans are, but I know I've been sitting on the splitter for a pretty long time now, and I've been dying to get it on this car. So it finally looks somewhat not stock to the average person. The splitter itself is made by Track Dog Racing. It's their middle size one, so they have like a 1-inch version. Then they have a middle, which is this, which is 1 inch in the center, and then 1.75 inches on the outer edges. And then they do have like a 2.5-inch version, I think, but I went with the middle one. To be completely honest, the main job of that splitter is going to be to protect my OEM air dam from getting scraped on the floor. So yeah, definitely more cosmetic than function. So yeah, this kit does come with all the necessary hardware. It's actually made out of plastic, so if you were to hit something, the splitter is supposed to just rip off so you don't damage the air dam. Because if you're using metal hardware, it would probably rip the OEM air dam off with the splitter, which this is a lot more expensive than this guy. So I got 1 hole drilled out of the 14 I think there are total. And then, oh.
Let's go stock, because California laws suck.
You failed your, you failed your ref.
Yeah, I failed the noise test that with just the NVIDIA cap back.
Look at that, the damage to the car cover.
How did somebody not see this either? They came up from right there.
Look at that. Dude, it had almost perfect fitment. It's a bummer.
That blows, dude.
Yeah, look at the quick release, that little black button. It's cracked all around it and pulled in.
Is it still functional?
I don't know, I'm not touching it.
You're taking it over today?
No, I was gonna. But now I'm waiting for either insurance to deal with it or for her to say she just wants to help me out.
Her?
Well, she doesn't live here. It's a long story.
It's heartbreaking.
But apparently it's repairable, like my guy said, so. Okay, it's repairable.
Even the crack?
Yeah. I mean, I've repaired cracks. I've cracked this bumper already, like not any noticeable area, but I've repaired the cracks. Fiberglass is apparently easy to work with.
Yeah, I was about to ask, what's the kit made of?
Fiberglass. Yeah, the car looks wild. Every time I see you nowadays, your car is just getting more and more stock.
Well, race car life, I mean, that's what you're supposed to do, right?
Race car life, bring it back to stock.
That's what you're supposed to do to make it go faster.
You went from stage 2 to stage 1 to stock. Each time I've seen you.
I still have my intake and my access port.
Oh, well, so you can stay at stage 1, yeah.
This shit's gonna hit me in the forehead.
No, it's not. There's like 4 other hangers holding it down.
Oh, you're right.
It'll get easier because you'll have more play. You get those hangers off yet?
No, none of them.
Rob, RSV Rob finally got his hands dirty on his own car.
I did a thing. See, look, I'm a YouTuber now.
On the, I don't even know what app you're recording on, but alright. Whatever works for you.
Whatever floats your boat, son.
Can you change that plate frame, actually?
Brazzers?
Yeah.
No, why?
What? Let's go. I like that sound.
It is. It's nice.
I like that sound. That's like a nice deep tone without any rasp. Yeah, I like that.
I like that too. I wish I could drive like this. I wonder what it would feel like, what it would sound like banging gears and everything. Trying to figure out, trying to figure out what angle I can get it in. Stop. It'll be here forever.
Every time your car comes to my garage,
It gets slower.
it gets slower, but you also get a little surprise. You'll find it later. Don't worry about it.
Where's my penis at?
It's not a wiener sticker. You actually wouldn't even see it walking around on the outside. And then look around.
I heart, you know?
You don't see it from the outside though. That's why you heard me squeezing Windex earlier. I was cleaning that part of your windshield.
Is that window? Is it on the inside or the outside?
It's on the outside.
I'm leaving it.
Yeah, you don't see it from, like, no one would ever notice that from right here.
That's why I'm leaving it.
Except for your passenger.
I'm like, is that window?
You're lucky I cleaned it. You're welcome.
Thanks. That's what I wanted.
Okay, so Rob just took off with his Subaru. He is now back to stock boys for life. But now apparently I need to get this car towed to my body shop in Northwood, which is like 12 miles from here. So now I'm waiting for AAA. That car is already ready to go. Just got to get the rear bumper, because I am gonna have the rear bumper painted and mounted, just in case I decide to ever run it in the future, so I have it ready to go. And then I can always, of course, take it off with the bash bar. But so yeah, I'm gonna just load that up in the hatch, and then I'm actually already waiting for the tow truck. They should be here in like 30 minutes, and then we'll be heading over to Northridge, leaving the car there, getting an estimate, letting Juan, the guy who's gonna be working on the car, see the damage, and then yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to get updates on the car over the next couple weeks, but I'll be getting back a clean painted 240, which is really cool.
Anything else you're forgetting?
No.
Yeah, I'm sure you're gonna come back.